Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, your science teacher. Again, I have come with some new points for your physics chapter, that is heat, for class 7. As I have discussed in my previous lecture about heat and different methods of heat transfer, how heat is transferred into different mediums. Today I will discuss further about heat and its effects. As we know that heat is an effect, heat is a form of energy. So it's is a form of energy, so its SI unit is joule. Heat is a form of energy, so its SI unit is joule. But when we measure hotness or coldness of any object, that is called temperature, and the unit of temperature is which is used to measure the temperature of any object, that is degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. By using thermometer, according to our need, we measure temperature of different situations and different objects. As to measure the temperature of our body, we use clinical thermometer, whereas if we have to use to measure the temperature in laboratory, we use laboratory temperature, whose scale is more. Now I will discuss some effects of heat in different types of mediums. As we have discussed in previous lecture, in solid, heat is transferred by the conduction method. When any conductor gain heat, its molecule start vibrating, and due to vibration, their vibrating particles transfer heat to their neighbor particles, and by transferring heat to their neighbor particles in a solid, transfer their heat. In convection, when we heat any liquid, hot particles of liquid start moving, then colder particle come in contact of heat, and after heating it also move. So continuously colder and hotter particle move and away by gaining heat, and by this method convection, heat is transferred in a liquid. But in radiation there is no any movement of particles. Without any movement of particles, heat is transferred from one place to another place. As we know that after gaining heat, any solid expand, either that is solid, liquid or gas. Every state of matter expand on heating. As we heat water, as we heat air. As we hit any solid conductor, it expands. Due to gaining heat, every states of matter expand in their size. When we hit air, it become lighter and rise in height. Means hot air rise above and colder air go down. So by due to these effects in ocean region, land breeze and sea breeze take place. Due to this effect of heat, that hot air rise, then to fill the blank space of hot air, cooler air rush away to fill their blank space, and due to this effect, land breeze and sea breeze are created on the banks of sea. As we know that white color is best reflector of heat, whereas black color is best absorber and best radiator of the heat. So there are so many useful materials are formed on the basis of these effects, that white color is best reflector of heat and black color is best absorber of heat. A simple example, that in summer season we prefer wearing of light colored cloth and white colored cloth, but in winter season we prefer to wear deep color cloths as well as black color cloths, that is best absorber of heat. So for today's that's all. In next video we will discuss more about heat. Thank you. Have a nice day.